Hello and welcome to everyone. So today I will be giving a palm reading tutorial. So it is the another episode of quality of fingers. In the previous one we have learned about the index finger. Today we will start with the next part, which is the Saturn, or we also call it as middle finger. So as you know about the middle finger, so it is generally a longer one in our palm. So if you have a good or long middle finger, then you can say you have this introvert qualities, which can be a seriousness, sincerity, thinking, planning, love for solitude, intellectuality, etc. And it also tells about the interest in the inner beauty, and also the quality which I listed above. And the people who has the longer finger, middle finger, it's usually the size of palm lesser, 20% lesser than the size of palm. So you can analyze this way. So which I have explained about this one, about the size of finger in the previous video, so you can look into it. So like the new one, so if the finger is longer than the normal one, so it makes you a introvert who like to stay alone, and you will do more your task by yourself, and you will be having interest in the philosophical, in the philosophy, in the music, in the mystic thing, and the spiritual things and other things that require solitude. So these are the quality and more quality which solitude require. So person having solitude nature, or the strong middle finger we have, will have this kind of quality. And these people are generally not a show off people, and they will be remain themselves only, and they are likely to be away from the crowd. And if the people or the person has a short middle finger compared to the hand, then it makes them a person who work in a hurry way. So they will be a kind of careless in some way, and they might make some of the mistakes, and they need attention of in the small things that they did. So here are one rule that I have explained this one earlier, but still we want to like refresh this thing. So here we can understand that long finger increase the quality of finger, and they came more strongly in character. In some same way, a small finger decrease the quality of finger, and this is the rule for all the fingers. So next one, if middle finger is curved, then it takes their thinking and planning into bit a depressive side. So these people remember again and again the sad memories. So you can say that the people having the middle finger curve are more likely to be depressed than the people having the straight middle finger. So this kind of people are like will think that why did it happen, why why could not I do so, and so on, and they will be having a sad memories, and they will be having a negative thinking, and that may result into negative depression or setbacks in their memories. So this is the first sign of depression, as you can say. And another one, the if the curve finger is there, it will show a depression sign. But you have the zigzag one, which is the very rare one. If you have the zigzag one, then people tend to be more destructive in nature, and they might try to kill themselves. And this is also a bad luck sign. And earlier one, it was said to be that people who tries to commit suicide are having the zigzag middle finger. And earlier one, I have told you to the rule 2, which is same as the previous one. So here it will says that if you have the straight finger, it will be giving the positive and desired quality, and it will be used in the right direction. And if you have the curve one, then it will be slightly negative, and it will be a kind of depressed one in this case. And zigzag one are the quality which used in very negative ways. So this is the visual view how a finger having the shape, so straight, curve, and zigzag. So thank you for watching. So in the next session we will learn about the ring finger. Thank you.